Hello, this is George, and we are going to review CaveX. We're going to go over what it is, what do you have to do, and can you make any money? And this is really kind of an interesting training, and there's software and so forth inside here. So you're getting some good software, and you're getting some training. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, and this is the home page here, so if you're watching this on YouTube, you have not seen the sales page yet or the home page. In the description on the YouTube video down below, it says go to the bonus page, and then you can, from the bonus page, you'll get this. And just click on one of these green buttons here, and then you'll go to the sales page here. So what is CaveX? CaveX is, it's if you're running an agency. All right, so let's say you're running an agency or something like that and you need clients, all right? And your clients, let's say your agency, you do Facebook advertising, you do web services, you do graphic design, you do videos, you do SEO, you do all that other kind of stuff, all that marketing agency stuff. And a lot of times, if there are people who maybe do graphic design, but you put your work on Fiverr or on one of these other platforms, Upwork, and you're waiting for that traffic to come and it just never shows up. And when it does show up, they want to pay you as little as possible. Well, this is your answer. This CaveX here software that will find clients for you. All right, I'm going to show you how this works. It's really kind of cool. It finds the clients from you in your particular niche, in your city, and then it has email where you can actually email those people in all kinds of templates and stuff like that. So one of the things that you'll really kind of need is you'll need some help if you don't have an agency, but you'll need some kind of business help running an agency and probably, of course, some more traffic. So I put some special bonuses here to, like the Atomic here. This is done for you products that helps you promote your business and help you get clients. The second bonus I've got over here is Bing Ads, which Bing is like a Google, but it's Microsoft, and it's very, very inexpensive to get leads and to place ads. The fourth one here is a traffic mantra. And then number 4 over here is Insurgency, which is a software and a program kind of all in its own. And what this does is it kind of brings it down to the basics of how do you get clients, how do you market to them, and that's a huge thing. Now this one here, this is my favorite, valued at $2,000. And this is the Online Business Addict. So if you are going online, and you are online and you're looking for online customers and you're all over social media, or you want to be on social media, these guys here, they've got a huge hack. When I started working with these guys, 4 days later, I had high ticket sales. So they are hands-on, they're on Facebook, and you can just, if you decide to get this, click on the link and one of those buttons here, and then you will be you'll be directed to where you can get these guys. And there's a free and there's paid. Just go with the free. You'll get some hands-on help, and they'll advise you. And I'll tell you what, you will know 95% of the people, and if you're watching this, you're probably looking for a way to make money. You've tried several different ways. These guys here will change that for you, but it's going to take you some work. So they're going to put you there. Number 6 here, drive traffic and learn from the expert. How do you drive traffic to your offers? Now, if you are in the graphic design business or the SEO or website, you want to drive traffic. Again, this is traffic for you. Now, this is going to expire here in about 4 days or so. This will be delivered on Warrior Plus. If you see this little blue box here on your checkout, when you get your program, you log in to download your stuff, and to get access, this blue button there, that's how you access these bonuses. So again, let's take a quick look inside of CaveX. What is it? When you log in, this is what you're going to see. There's really not much here. And what I did over here, Auto Repair Mesa, Arizona, and I already went through this. to see how this works, and that's what I typed in. That's where I live. I live in Mesa, Arizona, United States. And what's going to happen is it's doing a search and it's going to find auto repairs that are close to me. Now, from this auto repairs over here, now I'm always interested in how does this work? What do I have to do with the tutorials and so forth? And there's some really good tutorials, and we'll get to that as soon as this is done with its query search. There you go. You can see here, okay? It gives the name of the place, it gives their Facebook profile down there, and it gives their website, and it gives their phone number, okay? And even email. So what you do with this is now you've just harvested a bunch of potential customers. Well, what do those auto repair shops need right now? It's during the pandemic. People are staying home. They're not spending that much money, but he needs some clients. And how do you do that? Well, there are tutorials on how to actually do that. But let's go back over here and go to the email templates. Actually, I'm going to go stay here on the tutorials. One of these tutorials here is how to send emails, okay? Because that's what you might want to do is you might want to send some emails out, okay? You might want to, this is how to do those leads, which I just kind of showed you, how to download them, an overview. There's all kinds of cool stuff here. They're giving you visual assets, 18,000 of them, WordPress themes, image editors. If you got an image, let's put some text, put some stuff on it. SEO tools. This is in one of the pro features if you upgrade, all right, because there's different levels of this here. How to use YouTube tools, okay, over here, a chat fox. How to add SMTP in CaveX, and that's a mails program. So going back to this over here, like there is these, let's just say over here, 18,000. Now let's go to the video templates. So over here, text and video templates. This is just so cool, all right? This download button here, basically you're just going to go to a Google Drive and you just download your zip files. It's as simple as that, okay? So you have all kinds of assets. Here is another one here, 100 transparent PNGs. So imagine that. Imagine having your business, okay? You're a provider of services and you're going out and you say, God, what kind of services? You can pick. You don't have to do them all. You can pick something. If you want to do just video, if you just want to do SEO, if you just want to do graphic design, if you just want to help them out with their email or some Facebook marketing, bam, that's all it is there. So again, it's a unique app and it finds unlimited desperate clients. All right, and here just one more time. It's software that gives your customers everything they need, high converting bonus pages, just a few clicks. Also contains done for you templates and software, 50 times one-click traffic sources, which are included in this, okay? Here we go, look at this. Fully automatic affiliate apps. Get traffic in 60 seconds. You saw that, okay? As simple as 3 clicks. It's newbie friendly. There's no monthly fees. 100 different templates. Breakthrough to results. No paid ads. No painful work. It's all done for you. Now, there is going to be some work. So it is what it is. There's always work involved in one of these, all right? In anything, there's work. If it's no work, it's not true. Front end, $17. That's what you're going to pay to get in it. Now, there are offers here to upgrade to Pro for $27, the Agency Edition for $47, Done For You, $97, the Enterprise Edition, $67, the Reseller, if you want to resell this, for $97, and for $9.97, the White Label Edition. So over here, just the front end for $17, and $17, you'll even get all of my bonuses. Excuse me, you'll get them all. Lead Finder tools, private training, okay, all this stuff here. You're gonna resale license. You're gonna get all this licenses for all this different stuff. It's if you're an agency, maybe this is going to be for you. That's all, that's all that I have to tell you, really. If you're some kind of agency, this is a good software here that has a lot of different templates. It's got a lot of things going for it. It's got a lot of things. Instead of hunting all over the internet, the stuff is right there for you. Let me see what else is here. I think we went to tutorials. Yeah, we did this. We went through tutorials. And I like tutorials because that way it can come back over and over and over, and that way I learn how to use it. So anyways, I hope that this makes you well. If you would like to pick this up, click on the link below in the YouTube description. It will take you to this bonus page. Once you're in this bonus page, then you go ahead and click on one of these green boxes, and that will take you over to the sales page. Sales page, then you can watch some videos on this, on how it works. Go ahead and click here to get started, and there's a number of those. There's more information. It doesn't really tell you what the software is or how does it work. It just tells you, hey, you can make money, make money, make money. So hope this works out well for you. I wish you good luck. Go ahead, click below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, go make some money. Bam!